means keeping our food clean and safe to eat so that it doesn't make us sick. It's like taking care of our toys to make sure they're not broken or dirty. 1. Wash your hands. Just like we wash our hands before eating or playing with our toys. People who make and serve food need to wash their hands to make sure they don't pass any germs to our food. 2. Keep food cold or hot. Imagine ice cream melting on a hot day. Food that needs to stay cold, like milk or cheese, should be kept in the fridge, and hot foods like soup should stay hot. This helps stop germs from growing. 3. No mixing. We don't want to mix up our toys with our friends' toys, right? The same goes for food. We don't want to mix raw meat with fruits or veggies because it can make us sick. So, use different cutting boards and utensils. 4. Cook food well. Just like we cook our favorite cookies until they're golden brown, food needs to be cooked properly to kill any bad germs. Use a thermometer to check if it's cooked enough. 5. Store food safely. When we're done playing with toys, we put them away. Food should be stored in the fridge or sealed containers so it doesn't get spoiled or dirty. 6. Be careful with allergies. Some people have allergies, like not being able to eat peanuts. It's important to make sure food doesn't have things that can make them sick. 7. If you get sick, if we feel sick, we tell our parents, right? If someone eats something and feels sick, they should tell an adult too. This helps to stop more people from getting sick. 8. People make sure there are rules and people who make sure food in stores and restaurants is safe to eat. They check and make sure everything is clean and good to go. Remember, food safety is like taking care of our food so we can enjoy it without getting sick. It's important for everyone to do their part to keep our food safe and yummy.